Ever wonder how a stadium gets built in record time? The new Camp Nou is proving it's possible. In just one day, they've added 2 massive steel beams, poured concrete, and even finished a new staircase. Today, we're breaking down the latest updates to show you how this iconic stadium is rising faster than ever. Let's dive in. Let's start with the south goal area. Right now, there's a huge beam still hanging from the crane, and workers are busy tightening bolts to secure it. If you look closely, you'll notice some bolts are already in place, while others are still being worked on. But here's the thing. Since yesterday, they've added 3 new super beams. One in the corner, one in the tribune area, and another in the south goal zone. That's a lot of progress in just one day. Now, over to the corner section. This area is moving fast. They've already poured concrete in parts that were just empty yesterday. And if you look at the panels, they're starting to place the wooden boards for the next concrete pour. It's clear this section is almost ready for the next big step. But let's not forget the north goal. This area is still waiting for some action. The 3rd-tier seating structure hasn't been installed yet, but they're prepping the area with protective nets and getting ready to place the alveolar plates. Once those are in, we'll see the next phase of this section take shape. Oh, and here's something you might have missed. They've already finished a new set of stairs in the corner area. Compared to the slower progress on other staircases, this one went up in no time. Workers are even testing them out already. Excavations for drainage. Workers have started digging for drainage pipes. Black plastic sheets are already placed in the excavated areas. The pitch is slowly taking shape, but there's still a lot of work to be done. North goal concrete. The front area has been fully concreted, and black boards have been removed. Protective nets and alveolar plates are still pending, but progress is steady. Throughout the site, you can see workers everywhere, tightening bolts, placing panels, and prepping for the next steps. It's a hive of activity, and it's clear they're pushing hard to keep things on track. Safety is also a big focus. You can see protective nets being installed around the north goal area, which means they're getting ready for more work up high. It's all about keeping the site safe while they build. Finally, let's talk about the overall structure. The steel beams and panels are coming together fast, and it's clear the team is working at an incredible pace. The corner section is almost done, and the north goal is catching up. It's amazing to see how much can change in just a day. So, to sum it up, 3 new super beams, concrete pouring in the corner, and a brand new set of stairs. The south goal is almost fully bolted, and the north goal is prepping for its next big move. The new Camp Nou is shaping up faster than anyone expected, and we're here to keep you updated every step of the way. Want to see more updates like this? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next big reveal.